I say Islam is violent.
Okay.
Muslims want to kill each other. Shia, Sunni, Syria.
Listen.
I love you guys.
Listen, World War II, who started it?
Doesn't matter.
No, talk to me. Wait, no, you gotta, listen. Who's more violent? Who is the greatest murderer in history?
Islam.
Who? Name a person. Stalin and Mao, were they atheists? No, listen.
Now it's Islam.
Now? Okay, right now, the going on in Palestine, is that Muslims? Huh?
In Syria, they killed 600,000.
No. In Syria, who started the war? The Russians and Americans? No, you don't know Russians in Syria? Listen, where are you? تكلم معي بالعربي. تعال تكلم معي. لا كل شيء دون الدليل. في الغزة من يقتلون الناس. He's just talking. He says something, but he doesn't have evidence, so then he just walks away like a girl. Just disrupted us, man. Come back.